My parents found out that I have a genetic liver disease when I was like 1.5 years old, because I was a yellow baby, like a lot of children with liver diseases, and I always had sicknesses and pain in my tummy, and yeah. Then when I got diagnosed with my disease, it was clear that I have to get a transplant, because it was that far already, and yeah, we hadn't any other solutions. So I got transplanted the first time with 3, and after that it went, yeah, more or less good until I was like 8. Then I got infection in my biliary structures, and we couldn't handle it with antibiotics, so that proceeds, and I get a hepatitis in my transplant too, and that's the reasons why I get my second transplant. And I got that in 2013 after having a really hard time in hospital and having a whole organ failure, and I already lay like 7 days on the ICU, and yeah, it was really rough time. Yeah, I spent there a lot of time, so like 2 times Christmas, and yeah, 1 time my birthday, and yeah, really. So I feel like I spent my like 1/3 of my life in the hospital. Yeah, I think the biggest challenge is that it is never over, and that you never have a guarantee for being healthy, and you always have a higher risk to get sick again, and you know how it is to feel really sick and being not able to do just what you want to do. So for me, I think the biggest challenge is to trust my body and to work with what it gives to me. According to the structural problematics we have in Germany, I think the most beneficial would be to have more time for every patient, so that you can talk more in detail, so that you get to know your doctor and your patient better. So that would be amazing.